A factor pair for a given number is two whole numbers that multiply to get that number. For example, the values 2 and 6 form a factor pair for 12 because 2 times 6 equals 12 and both 2 and 6 are whole numbers. A factor pair for 12 can be represented as the side lengths of a rectangle with an area of 12 square units. This is because the base and height of a rectangle are multiplied to find its area. The other factors of 12 can also be represented as the side lengths of rectangles with an area of 12 square units, 1 times 12 and 3 times 4. All of the side lengths can be listed to show the factors of 12. The greatest common factor for two numbers is the greatest number that can be evenly divided into both numbers. To find the greatest common factor of 12 and 18, list the factors for both numbers. Then, identify the common factor that is the greatest. The factors for 18 can be found by starting with the common factor for all numbers, 1, and then working upwards. So, 1 times 18 is a factor pair. 2 divides evenly into 18, so 2 times 9 is a factor pair. 3 also divides evenly into 18, so 3 times 6 is a factor pair. Neither 4 nor 5 divide evenly into 18, so these numbers are not factors. Since the next number 6 has already been identified as a factor, all the factors greater than 6 have already been identified. Now that all the factors for 12 and 18 have been listed, the common factors for these two numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The greatest common factor is 6. The distributive property can be applied to rewrite the sum of two numbers by factoring out the greatest common factor. For the sum 12 plus 18, both terms can be rewritten using their greatest common factor, 6. The term 12 can be rewritten as 6 times 2, and the term 18 can be rewritten as 6 times 3. Finally, the distributive property can be applied to factor 6 out of both terms. Note: the original and rewritten numerical expressions are equivalent because they evaluate to the same value, 30.